guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now. My face looks like really pale, and my neck looks a lot darker, and everything looks like really crazy. It's gonna look better later on in the video. I'm sorry it looks crazy right now, but I decided not to put anything on my eyes because today I'm going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collab order. I'm really excited to open this baby up. I haven't even cut I was gonna say the plastic, the tape yet, and I have had to hold myself back for 2 days. This came on Saturday night. It's Monday morning now, so I've had to hold myself off since Saturday night to open this because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So, I'm so excited. Let me push my chair up a little bit because I'm short. Okay, that's good. Is that better? Probably not. Alright. Ah! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh. Ooh, okay, let's cut this box open. Okay, just gonna pull this. You guys are seeing it on camera before I am. Ooh, okay. So I was only able to get 3 items. I wasn't able to get the conspiracy palette, but I was able to order the mini controversy, which I think, is this it? Oh, this is it! Oh my goodness, okay. There's pink paper. It's a little messier than I expected, but it's okay. I'm not mad at it. And then there's a Shane Dawson tissue. Oh my goodness. Mini controversy. I don't want to rip it. So I'm going to take my little skizzards here. Unwrap this baby. Alright, and they have it inside some bubble wrap too, so that was a nice thought. And here's the packaging. I love it. Feels so nice that it's actually like textured a little bit. That's pretty cool. It looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. I did just watch the finale of Shane's series yesterday, and raise your hands down below, like drop little hand emojis or something. Everybody raise your hand if you're not happy about what they're doing with the green eyeshadow, okay? Because it's not very fair that they're putting it into the mini controversy and switching out Cry on My Couch. I already bought this palette. I don't want to buy it again just to get the green eyeshadow. I think they should just make a whole new palette. They put away a bunch of colors, I'm sure, that they could have put into a new palette. So, a little disappointed about that. But you guys, look at this palette! I love it. Love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, swatches. Is it swatching time? Okay. So I'm just gonna start with Flat Earth. That's the white shade. That looks like it has a little bit of a blue. Oh my god, so soft. This isn't my first Jeffree Star palette. I do have the Blood Sugar palette, but these feel even more buttery, and those shadows felt really good too. Alright, that is very white. Next I have Cry on My Couch, and this is totally good for setting your eyeshadow and like your primer in place. It is very light. Alright, My Boyfriend's Purse. I mean, it's good. That's really pretty. I love how soft they are. It's probably a little light for my skin tone, but like on people that are a little bit more fair, or even just darker than me as well, that would probably work good. But I'm like right in the middle, so like not the best for myself. But we're getting into deeper shades here. Let's keep going. Gonna dip into Controversy. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at Controversy. Can you believe? Oh, so pretty. Ooh. It's so pretty! That is absolutely beautiful. I am obsessed. I'm really excited for Diet Root Beer. There it is on this finger. I feel like I'm gonna be using a lot of Diet Root Beer because I use browns on my eyes all the time. So, love that. And My Apology. You guys, that is such a cute color. I'm really excited to try that out. Oh, yes. Yes. Obsessed. Exposed is this really light pink Probably not gonna work for my skin, but let's just give it a try here. There's that. Like I said, a little light for me, but I'm gonna try to use it. Next, I'm dipping into Canceled. That's this really pretty turquoisey teal thing here. Ooh, that swatch though is pretty amazing. I like that color. I don't use blues on my eyes very often at all. And lastly, the Simulation, which is so incredibly beautiful. How does it look this good? Ooh, that is such an incredible blue. Dead. Dead! Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what look I'm gonna make out of this today, but we are going to do something. I'm gonna do a quick little look using this at the end of the video, so if you guys want to if you guys want to see that, then stick around. The next thing I have is supposed to be the Shane Dawson Root Beer Lip Balm. I really wanted to get the gloss. It was sold out by the time I could get to it. You guys know, if you were shopping that day, that it was utter chaos. Couldn't get anything into the carts. It was just so bad. Alright, I wiped off the lip balm that I was already wearing, and now I'm going to apply some of the Diet Shane lip balm. It looks so nice. It smells so good. It's not like really strong Diet Root Beer, like just a hint of it. Here it is. It's just this solid white. It's beautiful though. I'm gonna feel really bad destroying it by putting it on my lips, but let's go. I wish I was able to get a lipstick, but I wasn't. And the only lipstick I really wanted was Are You Filming? The other shades just like weren't really my thing. Well, this feels like a really nice lip balm. Like I feel extra fancy. And this is a packaging that I'm just going to keep forever, even after I'm done with the lip balm. Like I'm gonna find other lipsticks and just stick it in there and use it. I would do that. I like it. You can smell it more when it's on your lips. I am a fan. I think it's good. It does what a lip balm's supposed to do. So I'm happy about that. And the final thing I have in here is the mirror. So let's pop this thing out. Oh, okay. Here we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh, look, card. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. I actually have another Jeffree store card that I got with my lipstick order that I made like last year. I don't know. But I keep it, and I actually like use this to fan my face when I put on my lashes or when I spray on my setting spray. So happy. Now I have this one, and it's Shane. Ooh. I love Shane. I'm being extra. Okay. Oh, here's my invoice. Don't remind me of how much I paid. Time to open this baby up. Ah, I'm so excited. Ooh. Here it is. It's the pink mirror. I'm like so freaking giddy. Oh my god. It's huge. I love it so much, and it's gigantic. This is my face, and this is, I have a big face, y'all, and this covers like almost the whole thing. The star mirrors from Jeffree Star, which I also have, I have the yellow one, is also nice, but like this, you guys, come on. And I really wanted to get the black one. The black one was my first choice. I wasn't able to get that either because I couldn't get it in my cart. So I ended up getting the pink one. This was the one that was like never put up on the website until later on in the day, and then people were able to buy it. Unless you went on something like Beautylish or Morphe, which I didn't think of until like 2 hours later. And I was like, well, let me go check. And of course everything was gone by that point. But I went back to Jeffree Star's home website, and this was still available, so. Did anybody watch Tana Mojo's unboxing and her reaction? It was so cute. It was so funny. Beautiful. Stunning. I love it. Quality feels great. The size of the mirror is amazing, and like, oh, I love it. And somebody said like they don't like the dead pig look, and it didn't cross my mind that it was dead. Although the X's on the eyes, that's like obviously dead. But I don't know. I just think it's cute. It doesn't come across as dead to me. Time to play with the eyeshadow. Let's push these things over. It's a big mess here. You guys can't see that, luckily. I honestly have no idea what look I'm going to create with this. So we're just guessing at this point. We're just making this up as we go along. I don't know what I'm going to do. Alright, so back to the mini controversy palette. I love the weight of this. It just feels like a good heavy packaging. I'm actually gonna dip into Exposed. I know, shocker. And I'm going to take this into my crease and we'll see what happens. Can you see it? I'm taking it really lightly because the problem that I have with my blood sugar palette is that I end up packing on so much color really quickly because it's really pigmented. So I'm taking small amounts very carefully. I like that color. It's subtle, but it's still like fun. You know what I mean? On camera it looks kind of gray on my eyes, but in person it's like this really pretty lilac. It's really weird. So I think I'm gonna dip into My Apology and I'm gonna take this all across. Ooh, yes, this color. It looks crazy right now. Hold on. I'm putting it in my crease, as you can see, and I'm taking a brush that's a bit cleaner. I'm just gonna blend out the edges really well. Alright, I'm going to kind of do a cut crease. I'm not good with cut creases, so I'm just gonna do whatever happens. And I'm going to take Flat Earth, just pack it on. Obviously, this isn't the finished look. So I'm going to go in with My Apology again, because for some reason I just don't like the cut crease look on me. Or maybe I just am just that bad at doing cut creases. Cut creases just aren't my thing, guys. Eventually, I'll figure out a good way to do it on my face, but right now, I can't do it. Alright, now I'm going to take my boyfriend's purse, which seems like a really pretty color to have on the lid. So I'm just going to pack that over, what was that called? Flat Earth. Flat Earth is a really pretty color. That little hint of blue in there is absolutely stunning. You can still kind of see that peek through underneath my boyfriend's purse. Alright, now I'm going to dip into the Simulation. Just beautiful blue. I'm gonna put that on the outer corners. And there hasn't been that much fallout on my face. There is some, but I feel like there's more fallout in the pan than there is on the face. I feel like my eyes look like cotton candy and I'm here for it. And I'm going to dip into Controversy. I'll take her right on the edge here. On the edge of the Simulation. I just want to see how that turns out. I don't like what I did there. That was a poor choice, but now I have to do it to the other side. It looks better on that eye. This means it needs to be blended more. Now I'm going to take Exposed again. Ooh, that works. I took a lot of extra steps in this look that weren't necessary because I just didn't know what to do, because there's so much going on in it, even though it's just 9 shades, and it could be overwhelming to make a look with it. But in the end, I feel like it came out pretty good. I'm not done, but so far I'm really liking it. Alright, now we're finally gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I actually got a lot of blue on my lower lash here. I don't have a problem with that because that's the color I wanted there anyway, so it works. Now I'm going to dip into my Apology again. I've used a lot of the colors in this. The only one I didn't touch at all was Cry on My Couch and Root Beer, which is the 2 that I immediately wanted to go for. I wanted to make a look out of these 3 shades, which would be incredibly easy, but I took a different route, and here I am looking like a cotton candy clown, but it's okay. So like I said, I'm taking a little bit of my Apology. I'm applying that on the lower lash line as well, from the center towards the inner corner. I'm not gonna go all the way to the inner corner with this, because I'm gonna leave some space for highlight because this look needs it. Alright, I'm gonna put on some lashes and some liner, and I'll be right back. Got my lashes and my liner on, and I unfortunately don't have a lipstick. I wish I did, but instead I'm just going to go ahead and apply this Lipstick Queen liner in the shade Pink. And I'm going to apply Frog Prince from Lipstick Queen as well. I love the shade of pink that this turns my lips. It's always so perfect. And lastly, Jelly Pop Lip Gloss from e.l.f. in the shade Cherry Pop. And that is the whole look. I really love these eyes. They have so much color. You could also make like a really natural look with this too. I'll probably do that soon. Let me know if you guys want to see more looks with this palette. I really wish I was able to get the Conspiracy palette. Hopefully I can get it sometime in March if it comes out again. That website is going to crash all over. I know it. I think I'm just going to try Morphe first. And that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those, because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. And that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.